Be careful in the second half of the year, especially with DeFi related to tokenized stocks. It could literally tank you to zero. I just saw one. A finance blogger is talking about tokenized stocks, saying there are huge risks ahead. There's even a chance we could see projects blow up, like FTX did. I totally agree with him. Basically, in the second half of the year, the main focus in crypto is likely going to be tokenized stocks led by big traditional finance players. So, these aren't stocks, they're actually something issued to you by a third party, pegged 1-1, some kind of stock token, and right now, there aren't many DeFi services for these stock coins, so I expect more to come in the second half of the year. There will be all kinds of DeFi projects for on-chain lending, staking, and various cool tricks related to these tokenized stocks. In our last video, we showed you how Robinhood's code uses Chainlink's Oracle. I'm not saying Chainlink isn't great, and once it pops up, the lack of liquidity in the stock can lead to a price crash, especially when you're staking it in DeFi. The price updates from the Oracle can be pretty slow, sometimes not even fast enough to let you cash out, which can lead to huge losses or even crashes in DeFi projects. And that's not even the full story. If there's a delay in price updates because of congestion or downtime on the ARB or Solana chain, it could bring some risks. If you hear that, do you feel a bit creeped out? But if the DeFi projects are properly managed, only coins with good liquidity, like NVIDIA, will be allowed for staking. That's okay. But if the project takes in investment money, there are some penny stocks, and the total market cap isn't even 100 million. Can small cap stocks easily have their prices pumped up and then used as collateral for DeFi on the blockchain? These folks leveraged up and borrowed stablecoins to go out and party. Then when the stocks tanked, DeFi blew up and the whole market crashed. If your position blows up, your money gets taken by those guys who are just chilling. You really think the SEC is going to do something about them? No way. The Trump family is totally pushing for crypto, saying it's all good to go. And they made it clear that these DeFi projects can move ahead for now. According to what Trump said before about the Clarity crypto bill, all of this is unregulated, so everyone needs to pay attention in the second half of the year, especially when it comes to stock tokens in DeFi. Even if things are going crazy, don't get too carried away. If there are friends who want to learn about blockchain projects or development skills, make sure to follow our channel. I'm G, and I'll see you in the
For a structured learning path in developing Web3 projects on Solana and other EVM chains, make sure to follow our channel for more tech insights. If you'd like to join our bootcamp, head over to my Patreon. With a free subscription, you'll receive a Web3 project development learning blueprint, outlining the essential skills to quickly build your own dApp. See you there.